Lord, how many are those who afflict me? Many rise up against me, many say to my soul, there is no salvation for him in his God. But you, Lord, are my protector, my glory, and the one who lifts up my head. With my voice I cried to the Lord, and he heard me from his holy mountain. I lay down and slept, I awoke, for the Lord will sustain me. I will not be afraid of tens of thousands of people who set themselves against me all around.